Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s and I'm gonna show you how to manage camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button so we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage. One of them is show grid lines button here, so just one tap to turn them on, another tap to turn them off as we need. Now let me keep them turned on, and here in the preview we can see these lines. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography. Let's tap again to the right corner button, and now when we pick show grid lines button at the bottom, we can get access to more options about it and change our grid lines, for example on this one. Let's do it again and move to the spiral one. So now we can see this view. These lines are also useful when we want to make experiments with composition at our picture. Let's move again to the settings and pick the spiral from the other side. And of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real picture. So when I take a photo and when I go to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see them at the picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we have to tap again to the right corner and add this button, so just we can turn them off here. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.